check out names card. I haven't played this game. This is old. Could you not speak? This is the first time this has happened. Well, think on the bright side. At last you won't find yourself in it. Was a little good news. I don't want to hear anymore. Shut up, you black orb. This is geometry dash. Literally, this is geometry dash. The nutshell at this point. Just messing keys. Something is suspicious. This is a graveyard? What the heck? This is gonna be nice. Frick, why did I do that? Now stupid. Wait, I have to do. Sorry about that, guys. I have to do something like this fast. Blah blah blah. I don't care about your stupid monologue. Sure. Oh, my time is up. Blah blah blah. What the fuck is? What the hell? What the hell is this? Oh my god! Is this a? Oh my god! I love it. I love the little. I know. No, actually, what? Teleportation. Hey, I love this game at first sight. Okay, I don't know, is lazy or is my just a little boogie? What the hell? Hey, oh my god, I can control it like that. Now I just found some. Oh my god, no! I just made this super funny. Yippee! Never mind. What the hell is that? Dude. Oh my god, I almost killed myself again. Hey, yippee! I can be yippee! Hey. Oh my god, I'm gonna risk it for the true biscuits. Oh my god, why did I do that? Do cats like biscuits? No, I mean, do cats love biscuits? Because I actually have a cat. Two, in fact. Let me call him. I'm just. No! How many attempts? I'm gonna take out this money. That's now cut to the point. Yay! I'm now here. That was actually not a. No, I mean not actually. It was real. Oh my god, Jesus! These are now. Or no! It's getting harder for sure. Give me up! Yat! What? And yeah! Oh my god! How I play geometry dash roar? How can I not do? This might be it's a trap. Yeah, I don't chase me? Hey, kiddo. Hey, kitty. Look at your tiny legs, okay? It's impossible to jump over this. I don't know anymore. Of course, why? You're shut. Idiot. What? Nani? I'm a true menace, baby. I'm a true menace. I jump for the biscuits. Now let's play geometry dash, baby. Geometry. Please don't get the monologue. Please don't. Do I die? No, I don't. Because I'm a Rizzler. What? I can't get it. Do I? Nope, I'm not falling for that. Oh, it's a cute little kitten. My name is Louie. I don't care anymore. Shut up and let me do that damn level. What the hell? Oh my god. Roller just killed me. I don't care anymore. I'm going speedrun mode. Blah blah blah. I don't care. Oh my god. No, there's no checkpoint. I'm screwed. Okay, speedrun baby. Speedrun baby. Speedrun baby. Nope, don't. Nope. Wait, how do I do this? Unlock checkpoint by watching me. No thanks. Okay, chill. Okay, time to speedrun like always. Oh my god, how many god? Jesus Christ. Okay, whatever. Instant death, how many attempts? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, run, how do I do? I was scared from the Jeebo, so don't think. Oh my god, I'm a super cat now. Jellyfish again. Yay, Mr. Hi. I don't care, you monstrous jellyfish. Such a big paper. I don't care. No. Oh, wait, what? I should have listened to this warning, I think. Oh, frick, no. Let me on, dude. Imagine I can fit through there and just wasting my time. Okay, no, in time 2. Okay, that was harder now, not harder. Finally. No! I got it in time. No! Yippee! Yeah! Okay. Oh, okay. The boost. What the hell? Okay. No. It cut my fort a little bit too much, I think. I don't know what. It's about dry. It's about power. Oh no, not this way, not this way. Yippee! Actually, what? Wait, at the exact time. Let me cut that again. And we are here again. I don't know what this. What this? What's the ginormous head? Okay, now can I go up? I'm gonna quit. I am just a crack. I'm just crack at this thing. I just saved it at the last time. Oh, I got it back down. This is not geometry dash, isn't it? Maybe give me that one right now. Blah blah blah. I don't get you. No, I have to get it now, isn't it? Fine, you're stupid. You're just enjoying it. I don't care, skip. Yeah, just skip. What? What did he tell me? Should I jump on this side? Or just oh. Subscribe. Okay, how do I do this? Oh yeah.